In this video, we'll show you how to mount an Apexx motorized deadbolt or slam bolt lock in an Apexx system. The Apexx system can connect up to 16 locks. In this example, we'll mount a single lock. On the inside of the safe door, use the provided drilling template to mark the locations of the mounting holes. Drill the mounting holes and tap for either 1/4 by 20 or M6 by 1. Install the keypad on the front of the safe door using the keypad installation instructions described earlier. Secure the lock to the safe door using the 3 screws supplied. This concludes how to mount an Apexx motorized deadbolt or slam bolt lock in an Apexx system.
For customer service, contact Dormacaba